everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I'm doing really well myself. I have not filmed, it seems like forever. I have been super busy with my new job that I started, and then I'm still working in my old job sometimes. So life has just been crazy. And we've got like tons and tons of rain, so it has been dreary and I just haven't felt like doing much of anything after I get off work. And it is chilly, so I'm rocking my sweatshirt today. But I hope you guys are doing well. If you're new here, I'm so excited to have you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below and hit that little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload a video. So with all of that being said, I have an unbagging today. Today we have my IPSY bag. It came kind of like it's falling apart, so maybe my mailman got mad at me. But IPSY, I will put all the information down below so you guys can check it out there. I'll leave the link also. It is not an affiliate link by any means. So with that being said, let's just get into this bag. Alright, so we pull it out and here's the bag. It is really cute. Here is the bag, has some little like eyes with some eyelashes on it, and it is just like a goldish silvery color and black. It's super cute. So there's the bag, and we'll just get into the bag and see what we got in here. So here's the card. It says the question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. IPSY, September 2018. And here's a little card. Oh, sorry about my fingernails. Haven't even had time to put polish on them either. So sorry about my fingernails that look like they've been just demolished. So here's the little card. Okie dokie. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this bottle. That's a pretty big size. This is Hemp's Pure Herbal Extracts Triple Moisture Herbal Whipped Body Cream. All Day Moisture. So we have a little body cream here by Hemp's. And let's see what this smells like. Ooh, it smells really good. And it's like a blue color. It reminds me of like cotton candy. So there's that little cream, and put just a little bit on my hand here. Oh, it smells really good. I can't describe the smell, but it does smell extremely good. I really enjoy that. All right, so that was the first thing. The next thing I'm pulling out is Mark Anthony True Professionals Bye Bye Frizz. Damage Repair Miracle Treatment. Intense repair to smooth and soften. It says look for Mark Anthony products at Walmart, is what the back of it says. So here's this little pot of frizz control cream, which my hair today, I didn't even bother to try to straighten it or anything because like I said, it's been raining and if I straighten it, it'll just, anyways. So, oh, I put that lotion on, so now I can't open this tube. Okay, let me wipe my hands off real quick on this shirt and see if I can get this open. My hands are so slick now. Why do I do this? Okay, there, I got it. Ooh, and that smells really good too. It is just a white cream. So there's that, and it is pretty full. We do have an empty spot over here, but this side's pretty full, so I will definitely be giving that a go. My dog's like walking back and forth. But anyway, it's free from sulfates, parabens. After shampooing, apply from roots to end, leave in 1 to 3 minutes and rinse. So I would definitely use this guy. The next thing I'm pulling out is this little thing, and it's by, I don't know if it's Dulce or Dulce. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It is a cheek blush. And here is the little blush here. We'll get it out of its little home and see if I can swatch it for you guys. There we go. I'm not going to take it out of this little thing because I'll probably drop it. But here is the little blush. And here it is on my finger. It is just a pinky blush. I really like that blush. And I love blushes. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that on the back of my hand. But it is a nice subtle pink color, which I really enjoy. So definitely be using this. The next thing I'm pulling out is Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. Primer plus moisturizer in one. And it comes in this little tube. And let's see here. If I can get it open. Oh, it comes in like a little squeezy, or not squeezy, pump. So let's see if we can pump some on the back of my hand. It is quite runny, but it is just a white primer. Smells good. I thought I seen a spider and I just like almost freaked out. But it's not. It's just like a little fuzzy thing that fell. But here's that primer. It feels really good on the skin. It is a moisturizer, so I don't know if I would use it in my T-zone because I'm super oily in my T-zone, so I could use it like under my eyes and my forehead. But that's really nice. And the last thing is a brush. And this is, it comes in it's a little packaging. This is really cute. It says Good Night, and this is by Luxie. It is this red brush, and like the metal part of it is like a red like shimmery color with a black handle, and it's like a packing brush. Sorry, I can't like find my words. It'd be good for like packing or even for like eyeshadow. So that is really cool. It is super soft. I really like the top of it and the colors. So I really like that brush. This month, that is all that is in that bag. This month, I really enjoyed IPSY. I love the bag. I love all the products. Like I said, we've got the Hemp's Body Cream, the Frizz Cream for your hair, the brush, and the blush. So I am really excited. I love this month's IPSY. So if you guys get IPSY, let me know if you guys liked it, what you guys got, if you think it's worth the money for, I think it's like $10 a month. Sorry, my voice is like 10 octaves lower than what it usually is. I have a sinus thing since the weather's been changing, so I'm just like stuffy all through here. But anyways, if you guys liked IPSY, what you guys got, I would love to know all of your thoughts and opinions. So that is all that I have for this video. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!